YouTube fam. I'm Shadeen.
I'm Sean, and today we're doing a
Unboxing of the MacBook Air M1 chip.
All right.
Let's show them the correct name. There it is. So the 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip, right? So 8 gig memory and 256 gigabytes SSD.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna unbox this for you guys. So let's get it started. All right, guys. That's a nice six box. Look at that. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the nice plastic off. Ooh. Okay. Take the nice plastic off. All right. This is actually very simple. If I just have to lift this is the simple box opening ever.
It have the little white stickers that most things have. Oh, you just have to lift it? What?
That's nice.
How easy.
I think that's how you do it. No.
I think so.
Oh. So it just.
Jiggle jiggle.
So I guess you literally just take the plastic off and just lift it up.
There you go.
But be gentle with it. Mind you, this is our first time owning. Ooh. Not an Apple product, but a MacBook.
Yeah.
So, all right. So this all looks on the inside. Got another plastic cover. I'm gonna take that off. I think this. Oh no, this lifts the whole thing. So, yeah, this is my first time unboxing. You can tell. So I'm gonna have Shadeen hold the phone while I lift the laptop. So we got the rose gold. You gotta get the inside so we can see the whole thing. So this is how it comes out. It's sort of just like a big iPhone box. This is a big iPhone. But
Gonna also look like an iPod.
Yeah. That's the back of it. Oh, it look really nice. Oh, this is quite. Ooh. Alright. Ooh. Like Christmas. Ooh. Okay. Let's see what inside of the box before I take this all out. Let's see what's inside of the box. So, got the charger. Designed by Apple in California. Okay. Got the adapter on this stuff. Alright, gonna get back to the main thing. So it's gonna be awesome because you use this to edit videos a lot better. I don't know why I got a knife. I thought I had to cut some stuff. So, alright. It's so clean and sleek. Wait, this is how you know I never owned one of these. I don't even know how to open it. Is it a... Oh, okay. Is it a latch or something? This is too funny. Alright, okay. Here we go. What? Okay.
Well, okay. You just start something like that.
Okay. I'll take this off. Oh, okay. Man, I wish my shoes came like this. Ooh. Okay.
Nice. Hola.
Okay.
What is this? It's China. I don't know what. Okay.
I'm afraid if I click the wrong language, it's gonna be stuck like that. Do we have to wait for English?
I think English was the first one.
Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay. Alright, gotta pick the country. Wish I could just type.
You can. There's a keyboard right there.
No, it doesn't have a little bar up top where you can put.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, I don't. Okay, accessibility feature adapt your Mac to individual needs. You can turn them on how help you finish setting up.
Vision. Because we can hear, see, and everything. Not now. Friends, I guess.
Yeah. I'm just saying, okay. Okay. Connect. So I need to get this. Alpha, the way you guys have this stuff set up is so nice. Made it worth spending this money. Sometimes you spend a certain amount of money on stuff, and the way they package your stuff look like garbage. That's what everyone's say, okay, you should get a MacBook. You should get a MacBook. That's nice. Alright. Gotta connect this so we can get all this stuff changed over. Oh, everything. Okay, it comes with a little book. I'm sure it comes with a little sticker. 2 stickers that match the MacBook.
AirPod.
MacBook Air. Instruction manual, all that good stuff. Alright. And some more paper. Okay. Slide this back in here. Come on, get in there, baby. Alright. Alright. This. Ooh, girl, why you didn't take my hands are ashy?
Oh, it is. I didn't
I've been
realize.
washing my hands so much.
Yeah.
Alright.
I guess you're not gonna get a promotion to be a hand model now.
Alright. I swear the little charger be so nice and smooth when you first get them. And then at the time they look like, I'm not even gonna show you what I was like.
Exhibit.
Hold on, let's see. You on the first one? Is it? Let me see. Looks like one of those. Okay, yep. I'll make sure they click all the way in first. Alright, I'll plug it up. It's not just like the dang phone. And then, okay.
Loading.
Make sure I got that on. Let's see. This might take a while. Basically, this is all I wanted to show you, the MacBook Pro. I wanted to do, what'd you call it?
Unboxing.
Unboxing our MacBook. But that'll be the end of this video because this is probably going to take a minute and I'm sure you guys do not want to see that. But that's it. Subscribe to the channel. Check out our other content. And thank you for tuning in. Till later, peace from Sean.
Bye, guys.